What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin, back at it. This was a 2-day project. I was using the SunJoe AJ801E Dethatcher and Scarifier. This little machine is awesome. I went ahead and bought a dethatching rake and I hand raked the whole yard. I got 15 bags of debris out of it. So after doing that, I was like, I'm never doing that again. So I purchased this on Amazon. I think it was for $126.95. And I just put it aside and, you know, through the summer, let the grass do its own thing. I figured now it's fall time. I'm gonna go ahead and dethatch the yard again, see about getting the debris out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my normal cutting height, which is on setting 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same thing in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's in the 5th hole. And you can check by putting the tape measure down and seeing where the blade is. Anytime you do that, you always want to remove your spark plug, just so there's no chance of the blade spinning. I'm going to pull this so there's no way the mower can start up. So my normal height for mowing is 3 inches. So before I dethatched, I set the wheels to setting 4. And I mowed that a week before to the 4th setting, which is 2.5. And 2 days before I dethatched, I set everything to level 3. Which is at 2 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to suck up and bag the grass that was pulled up from the yard. The first pass is done, long ways. Now I'm going crossways. Don't forget, comment, subscribe. Let me know if anybody else has dethatched their yard or what your yard routine is to get it ready for the end of the season. So after one pass in the front. And I actually started another compost pile with the debris. I ended up getting, let me flip the camera around, 3 full bins of grass clippings and 2 bins of this size. And I've already started the compost pile, which I'm going to add this to, and in the bag I still have some wood chips, so I'm going to add some wood chips too. But yes, this guy is awesome. It's a little dirty now. But yeah, these tines, they go around and they basically just turn and they whack up all the loose grass. So, I don't know if you can see, we basically got back down to dirt, which is good for water filtration and then nutrients absorption right into the grass or into the soil. This is a very cool little machine, and I hope you enjoy the video.